Mr. Jordan Lascota.
I happened to walk through the road past the famous landmark statue. One side of the crowd, giving to each other with a bright smile, and warm and sincere talk by that deep. The crowd gathered, a mixture of crucifix-wearing individuals and zero-wearing God. That is to say, Zamboanga is indeed a nation of diverse cultures and friends. Ladies and gentlemen, I speak to you today as a member of this community. We have gathered ourselves now to understand the fact that a warrior culture cannot be a hindrance to a united community, and that the region is not because of existing crime nowadays. Zamboanga City, as we know, is no different to other cities in the sense that we consist of warrior cultures. The city will predominantly be a Christian community, but the religions of the minority are acknowledged as well. Ladies and gentlemen, despite its varied culture, Zamboanga City is a united community. And how was I able to say this? Let me first share with you how I understand the word unity. Unity, for me, means oneness, and from that, allow me to prove to you that Zamboanga is indeed a united community. I hope you are familiar, ladies and gentlemen, with the organization Silsila Dialogue Movement, its structure and its mission. The Silsila Dialogue Movement is an organization composed of not only our Muslim brothers and sisters, but as well as our brothers and sisters from the Christian community. This organization alone is a proof that our community is not separated by religion. The organization provides conducive atmosphere for sincere and meaningful encounters between Muslims and Christians. It provides activities, especially for the youth, to evoke awareness and appreciation of dialogue in the religious, cultural, social, and political lives of Muslim and Christian communities. But why is there a focus on dialogue? It is because this organization simply believes that peace is the fruit of dialogue, and I agree with them. Yes? Effective communication bridges the gap. It creates a link that understands the variety of dialects and relates only one way. Communication as well breaks walls stand between groups. This is